Hi, welcome. I've been working on a threat detection app. So in a few minutes, I'm just going to demonstrate to you a live AI powered threat detection system. I'll simulate a real attack on my honeypot and show you how the system automatically analyzes threats using AWS Bedrock and sends email alerts for high severity incidents to my email. So let's look at the architecture. So an attacker tries to attack our Cowrie Honeypot. We are going to capture all the SSH attacks, upload these attacks to our S3 bucket. Then our Lambda function is going to be triggered from this S3 bucket. All this payload will be sent to Bedrock to analyze. Here, Bedrock is going to analyze the threat severity, store this in a DynamoDB table, and also store it in a vector store. So we have this, our vector database, Pinecone. It's going to be stored here. Then we are going to receive alerts for any high severity threats by email, as you would see. Also, there will be a CloudWatch dashboard to monitor all the logs in one spot. So let's just go to the code and simulate an attack like a real attacker would do. I'm just going to connect to our honeypot. So let's simulate a real attack here. This is the IP from our EC2 instance. So I'm just going to put in a weak password. Password 123. And now I'm in. Just going to perform the common actions that an attacker would do. Who am I? Root. And then I'll try to upload malware. So these are the common attacks an attacker would do. Trying to upload malware and trying to cover up their tracks. So removing and then exit. So these commands simulate downloading malware and trying to cover tracks. This is classic attacker behavior. The way the code is designed is every 5 minutes is going to upload to S3. So we don't want to wait for 5 minutes in this demo. I'll just manually trigger the upload myself to show you the flow. So let's connect to our instance. So we are connecting to our instance here. And now let's upload to S3 without waiting for the 5 minutes. So I'm just going to upload. And as you can see, this is our S3 bucket here. We have this, our log. So let's exit. So now let's go take a look at this, our credit card S3 bucket in the console. Here is our bucket. Let's go to our Cowrie logs. And as you can see, we have these logs here. It was executed successfully and we processed the attacks. So now let's look at our Lambda. So this is our Lambda. And let's look at the execution. Okay, let's go here. We can see successfully generated, processing the event. Everything looks good. The hash has been generated. And now let's take a look at our DynamoDB. Let's refresh as well. So we can see that we have our logs here. If we take a look at our dashboard, you can see our CloudWatch dashboard here running. And here is our SNS topic. So you can see I have a high severity threat detected. The score is 90 and it's a malware download. The source IP and then the explanation from the AI. So the log shows an attempt to download the shell script name. This indicating an attempt to download and execute malware on the system or reflects the severity of the successful malware infection. So the AI has explained this for me. So the security team now gets immediate notification with all the context they need to respond. So this demonstrates a complete threat detection with real attacks captured, AI analysis with our Claude, and intelligent classification, and then we get immediate alerting as well. The system scales automatically and provides the security team with actionable intelligence in real time. So all the code and documentation is available on GitHub. I'm going to add the link to this video. And also, if you comment and you want, I could create a whole series on how I build this project from scratch. Thank you. See you next video.